What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I decided to do something to tame this mane of mine. Yeah, look a little rough. Need to do something with it. And I've been all over YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, trying to find a style that I want to achieve. And I came across the Loc Petal. I also did a poll. My lips look dry as heck. Hold on, I'll be right back. Let me fix that. Okay. Let's see what a little Vaseline can do for these things right now. Left my purse in the car with my real lip gloss and stuff in it. Oh well, they're doable. But anyway, I'm going to try and achieve the Loc Petal look. Some people, well, from the images that I saw, some people wear Loc Petals in the afro style. Some wear it in the mohawk, half mohawk, full mohawk style. You can actually style the Loc Petals all type of ways. 2 ponytails, 1 ponytail, whatever, but I want to see how the afro style will look on me. But yeah, what I'm going to use today, I'm going to use, of course, my infamous mixed bottle of hair oils and water. And I'm also retwisting my hair with the Super Grow hair gel. And I did a review on this product some videos back, so go to my videos, find that video, watch it, like it, comment, share it, you know. Go to the Instagram page, tell them Ronda B sent you, and y'all, this is some good stuff. Like, FYI, this is some really good stuff and it smells good. So yeah, these are what I'm going to be using today, on top of black rubber bands. So this is my bag that I have with my black rubber bands, my shells, some black yarn. I had gold and silver clips. Y'all know the little travel clip things. Yeah, that's all in this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair. I'm gonna show you all how to do a few. Loc Petals are very easy to do. I just never done them before because I always been waiting for my hair to get, you know, a certain length to start doing certain styles. And I think my hair is long enough to achieve the Loc Petal look. So I've seen people doing this look on shorter hair, so I'm gonna watch my little Hulu while I do my hair, and I'll show you all how I complete a few. I'll go ahead and do this front part for y'all. And I'll be back with you all in a few. So yo, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So far, it don't look like it's gonna turn out the way I'm hoping it's gonna turn out. But I'm gonna keep hope alive and just finish it all the way through. And then you can just see the end results. Yeah. I'll just wait to the end before I pass judgment. But it's basically retwist, get the end of your lock, pull it to the root of your lock, get a rubber band, wrap it round however many few times that you want to, and voila, you have a lock petal. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom through it.
What we do here is go back.
Together so far. Y'all see a better picture of it, video of it once I actually get done with my whole head, and I had to throw in some earrings to see. I don't know. I don't know. I have my full back to do. So I want to see exactly how I feel about everything. Once I do my makeup, I'm supposed to be going on a date tonight, so once I do my makeup, you know, throw some lashes on, you know, put the whole look together, maybe I can, you know, girl, yes, this is one of your Loc go-to styles. As of now, it's still up in the air, so let me finish watching my Hulu and I'll be back. Yo, my freaking arms hurt. I'm not sure how the back of my head look yet, but I'm on my last two. I'm on my last two. All right, all finished. So this is the finished look. I'm not feeling this big piece right here. So let me get blend in a little bit. I mean, it's doable, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna throw on some lashes, do my brows a little bit, and we're gonna pull this whole look together. That's what we're gonna do. I know for one thing, my head feels light. I'm not sure because my locks aren't hanging over my head, but my hair really feels light. I'll make these edges a little bit. I think I can pull it off. But I'll be right back with y'all once I bring my whole look together. Okay, everyone, this is the final look. Did a light little beats. Put on some natural looking eyelashes. And, it's okay. I don't think I'll do the look again, but it's wearable for now. I went to the grocery store, came back. I actually got a lot of compliments while I was at the grocery store regarding my hair. So maybe it's just me. I don't know, but like I said, it's doable for right now. So yeah, I just want to thank you all for watching my video. And if you like the do, if you're feeling it on your girl Ronda B, give me a thumbs up. If not, still give me a thumbs up anyway for vibing with your girl. Also, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. I'll see you all in my next video.